English is tricky, but I have a secret trick to never confuse must and have to again. Stay with me for 30 seconds and you'll remember it forever. Must is when you feel something is necessary, it's your decision, or it's a very strong rule. Example, I must drink more water because I feel it's important. Have to is when someone else is telling you to do something. It's not your choice, it's a rule from outside. Example, I have to go to work at 9 a.m. because my boss says so. Don't have to means it's not necessary. You can do it if you want, but no one is forcing you. Example, you don't have to bring a gift. It's up to you. Must not is very strict. It means not allowed. If you do it, there will be consequences. Example, you must not smoke here. It's forbidden. Now, let's see how to use these words in real conversations. I'll show you 30 simple question and answer examples that will help you understand them better. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your pronunciation and confidence. Let's get started. Do I have to wear a uniform at work? Do I have to wear a uniform at work?
Yes, you must wear a uniform. It's the company rule. Yes, you must wear a uniform. It's the company rule.
Do I have to wake up early tomorrow? Do I have to wake up early tomorrow?
Yes, you must wake up early. You have an important meeting. Yes, you must wake up early. You have an important meeting.
My tooth hurts. What should I do? My tooth hurts. What should I do?
You must see a dentist. You must see a dentist.
Must I bring a gift to the party? Must I bring a gift to the party?
No, you don't have to, but it's a nice gesture. No, you don't have to, but it's a nice gesture.
Do I have to bring my ID to open an account? Do I have to bring my ID to open an account?
Yes, you must bring your ID. Yes, you must bring your ID.
Do I have to pay taxes? Do I have to pay taxes?
Yes, everyone must pay taxes. It's the law. Yes, everyone must pay taxes. It's the law.
Must I cook every day? Must I cook every day?
No, you don't have to cook. You can order food. No, you don't have to cook. You can order food.
Do I have to practice English daily? Do I have to practice English daily?
Yes, you must practice to improve. Yes, you must practice to improve.
Do children have to go to school? Do children have to go to school?
Yes, they must go to school until they are 18. Yes, they must go to school until they are 18.
Do I have to get a license before driving? Do I have to get a license before driving?
Yes, you must get a license first. Yes, you must get a license first.
Must I bring my own shopping bag? Must I bring my own shopping bag?
No, you don't have to, but it's better for the environment. No, you don't have to, but it's better for the environment.
Must I wear a mask in the hospital? Must I wear a mask in the hospital?
Yes, you must wear a mask to protect others. Yes, you must wear a mask to protect others.
Do we have to wear seatbelts? Do we have to wear seatbelts?
Yes, you must wear a seatbelt. It's the law. Yes, you must wear a seatbelt. It's the law.
Do I have to do my homework? Do I have to do my homework?
Yes, you must finish it before tomorrow. Yes, you must finish it before tomorrow.
Do I have to submit the report today? Do I have to submit the report today?
Yes, you must submit it by 5 p.m. Yes, you must submit it by 5 p.m.
Must I stay until the meeting ends? Must I stay until the meeting ends?
No, you don't have to. You can leave if you're busy. No, you don't have to. You can leave if you're busy.
I feel sick. Do I have to take medicine? I feel sick. Do I have to take medicine?
Yes, you must take medicine to get better. Yes, you must take medicine to get better.
Do I have to carry my passport? Do I have to carry my passport?
Yes, you must carry your passport when you travel abroad. Yes, you must carry your passport when you travel abroad.
Must I return the book today? Must I return the book today?
No, you don't have to. The deadline is next week. No, you don't have to. The deadline is next week.
Do I have to exercise every day? Do I have to exercise every day?
No, but you must exercise regularly to stay healthy. No, but you must exercise regularly to stay healthy.
Do I have to tip the waiter? Do I have to tip the waiter?
No, but you should tip for good service. No, but you should tip for good service.
Do I have to wear formal clothes to work? Do I have to wear formal clothes to work?
Yes, you must wear formal clothes in this office. Yes, you must wear formal clothes in this office.
Do I have to book tickets in advance? Do I have to book tickets in advance?
Yes, you must book them early because they sell out fast. Yes, you must book them early because they sell out fast.
Do I have to study every day? Do I have to study every day?
Yes, you must study if you want to pass the exam. Yes, you must study if you want to pass the exam.
Must I wash my hands before eating? Must I wash my hands before eating?
Yes, you must wash them to stay clean. Yes, you must wash them to stay clean.
Do I have to wear traditional clothes to the wedding? Do I have to wear traditional clothes to the wedding?
No, but you must wear formal clothes. No, but you must wear formal clothes.
Must I take medicine with food? Must I take medicine with food?
Yes, you must take it after meals. Yes, you must take it after meals.
Do I have to stop at a red light? Do I have to stop at a red light?
Yes, you must stop. It's the traffic rule. Yes, you must stop. It's the traffic rule.
Must I bring an umbrella today? Must I bring an umbrella today?
No, you don't have to. It's sunny outside. No, you don't have to. It's sunny outside.
Do I have to pay the bill today? Do I have to pay the bill today?
Yes, you must pay it before the deadline. Yes, you must pay it before the deadline.